Hello guys, what is up? In this video we are going to show you how to pay with Temu Credit. Now Temu Credit is pretty much your credit card. So how do we do this? For example, want to buy this thing. Oh, okay, so where's the bag? It's not loading that fast because there is a monsoon. So let's for example just this flashlight, right? So add to cart and then go to cart, and now go to checkout, press checkout, and then continue to checkout because they're going to ask you to buy more stuff, which you don't want to do that. Click to checkout. Now how do you do this? It's very easy. Click on the option for Visa or whatever card you're using. So click on this and then click submit order, right? You don't want Gcash, you don't want PayPal or cash on delivery. You want your card, which in this case Visa, right? So that's how you pay with your Temu Credit. And that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next video.